Castleton Technologies have created the first end-to-end repairs and maintenance solution for the social housing market. Using digital self-service, Castleton's .digital solution allows your tenants to enter repair requests and book appointments online. By creating an online portal or app, you can dramatically reduce your call centre costs while tracking the repair journey. Whether the repair is booked via phone, portal, or using Castleton's AI technology, Castleton's dynamic scheduling solution provides real-time planning and automatic scheduling. With no manual intervention, the appropriate engineer can be allocated according to trade skill, availability and location. Scheduling even calculates the most efficient route for fuel economy. Repair bookings can be confirmed via Communication Manager, a two-way SMS tool. Tenants can approve, cancel or reschedule by reply. Engineers can report repair completion, log customer satisfaction or schedule a further visit. Castleton's agile solution is used to mobilize data, giving engineers a real-time view of their jobs. No signal? No problem. Even in areas of no connectivity, all job details are still accessible offline. What's more, there is no duplication of data. All the information is linked to back-office systems, updating records and triggering further actions such as stock replenishment and invoicing. When the engineer is on their way, final mile reporting kicks in via Castleton's Find My Engineer app. This automatically sends the tenant an SMS message with the engineer's precise location and ETA, improving engineer first-time access rates. Information from all these solutions can be pulled together using Castleton Reporting, a single dashboard view providing key information on every aspect of the job. Boost your service delivery and operational performance. Talk to Castleton today.